Brenda, you were sent home for school fees. Your parents complained that you have been out of home for 3 days. That you are not studying while at home. I want you to tell me your problem since your performance is not pleasing at all, yet you are our next candidate.
Teacher Bruce, I have a lot of challenges at home. I can't just get a cool environment to study while at home. There are certain things happening with my parents that I would not wish to mention.
Just share the problems with me, so that we can see how to solve them. That is why I have called you here.
Teacher, I am staying with my parents in a single room. When everyone is asleep, that's when I get a time for my private studies. The noise that always comes from them while they are making love always disturbs my mind. That is why I had to leave home to go stay with my boyfriend, since the incidences have made me not to concentrate in my private studies. I am not granted a serene environment for my personal studies at home.
Oh my goodness. Just go to class. We will solve this later.